This is the best advice I can give to you. Now on this video, a real talk between you and me and this smartphone that I'm holding in my hand. Start small. Do things. Execute. Do things no matter how stupid, silly, confused, no matter how wrong this might end up. Do things. Always execute. No matter if you are losing. Losing is part of your process. Losing. If you are losing at half time, it doesn't mean you are going to lose at the end of the game. Trust your gut feeling. Trust your process. Trust your progress. Always do things. Do things. Do things. The smallest of the things counts the most. You will look back one day and tell yourself, look at how far I've come. You might never reach your destination, but always keep on trying. Always keep on moving forward. Always believe that whatever you are doing is possible. If you do not believe things are possible, you will lose. You have already lost without trying. Try things. Execute. You do not need to be the smartest person. I am not all that smart. I watch what people are doing in my niche market, in my field or career path, what I am doing. I pay attention to what they are saying. I read their books. I attend training. I attend the Zoom meetings, the live webinars, presentations. I pay attention to what they are doing. Just do things. Do things. Thank you and you're welcome.